Have you ever wondered how you can turn your passion for coding and programming into a money-making machine using the power of artificial intelligence? Well, you're in the right place. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's revolutionizing the way we create, build, and sell code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, there are countless ways to monetize AI-generated code and programming. In this video, we'll dive deep into 10 proven methods to make money with AI-generated code, exploring the pros and cons of each so you can decide which path is right for you. Stick around because you need to know which method suits your skills and strategies, because choosing something that doesn't fit well with your knowledge may have very little chance for success. Let's start with the first method, selling AI-generated code templates or scripts. This is one of the easiest ways to get started. You can create reusable code templates, plugins, or scripts using AI tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT, and sell them on platforms like CodeCanyon, Gumroad, or even GitHub sponsors. The beauty of this method is that you create the product once, and it can generate passive income for months or even years. For example, you could create a Python script for automating social media posts or a WordPress plugin for SEO optimization. The pros? Low upfront effort, scalable, and you can reach a global audience. The cons? Competition can be fierce, and you'll need to constantly update your templates to stay relevant. But if you niche down and solve specific problems, you can carve out a profitable space for yourself. Next up, develop and sell AI-generated APIs. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are the backbone of modern software development. With AI, you can create powerful APIs that perform tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, or even financial forecasting. Platforms like Rapid API allow you to list your API and charge developers or businesses for access. For instance, you could build an API that generates captions for social media posts or one that predicts stock market trends. The pros? APIs are in high demand, and you can charge recurring fees for access. The cons? Building a reliable API requires technical expertise, and you'll need to ensure it's well documented and easy to use. But if you get it right, this can be a lucrative income stream. Now, let's talk about building complete websites using AI-generated code. Imagine creating fully functional websites in minutes using AI tools like Wix ADI, Framer, or even custom AI-generated code. Once your website is live, you can monetize it through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or by selling products and services. For example, you could build a niche blog about AI tools and earn through ads or affiliate links to AI software. The pros? Websites can generate passive income, and AI makes the process faster and easier than ever. The cons? It takes time to build traffic, and you'll need to invest in SEO and content creation. But with patience and consistency, this can become a steady source of income. Another exciting method is building and selling AI-powered mobile or web apps. Apps are everywhere, and AI can help you create them faster and smarter. Whether it's a fitness app that uses AI to personalize workouts or a productivity app that automates task management, the possibilities are endless. You can sell your apps on platforms like Google Play or the Apple App Store. The pros? Apps have massive earning potential, especially if they solve a real problem. The cons? The app market is highly competitive, and you'll need to invest in marketing to stand out. But if you create something unique and valuable, the rewards can be huge. If you're more into creating tools rather than full-blown apps, consider developing AI-powered online tools on web pages. These could be anything from a resume builder that uses AI to optimize your CV to a grammar checker that improves your writing. You can monetize these tools through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or by offering premium features through paid plans. For example, you could create a free AI tool that generates business names and charge users for advanced suggestions. The pros? Online tools are relatively easy to build and can attract a lot of traffic. The cons? You'll need to continuously improve the tool to keep users engaged. But with the right idea, this can be a goldmine. Now, let's shift gears and talk about creating AI-generated coding courses. If you have a knack for teaching, this is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and make money. Use AI to help you create course content, quizzes, and even personalized learning paths. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and teachable make it easy to sell your courses to a global audience. For instance, you could create a course on how to use AI tools for web development or how to build AI-powered apps. The pros? Courses can generate passive income, and you can establish yourself as an expert in your field. The cons? Creating a high-quality course takes time and effort, and you'll need to market it effectively. But if you're passionate about teaching, this can be incredibly rewarding. Another method is offering AI-powered consulting services. If you're an expert in AI and programming, businesses will pay top dollar for your advice. You can offer consulting services to help companies integrate AI into their workflows, optimize their code, or develop AI-powered solutions. Charge by the hour or on a project basis. For example, you could help a small business automate their customer service using AI chatbots. The pros? Consulting can be highly profitable, and you get to work on diverse projects. The cons? It requires strong communication skills and the ability to deliver results. But if you're confident in your expertise, this can be a highly lucrative career path. Now, let's explore building and selling AI-powered bots. Bots are everywhere. Chatbots for customer service, trading bots for the stock market, or even bots that automate social media posting. You can sell these bots as a subscription service or offer customization for businesses. For instance, you could create a chatbot that helps e-commerce stores handle customer inquiries and charge a monthly fee for access. The pros? Bots are in high demand, and subscription models provide recurring revenue. The cons? Building a reliable bot requires technical skill, and you'll need to provide ongoing support. But if you can create a bot that solves a real problem, the sky's the limit. Let's talk about freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are goldmines for coders and programmers. You can offer services like building custom websites, creating AI-powered tools, or even debugging code. The beauty of freelancing is that you can start small and scale up as you gain experience and positive reviews. For example, you could offer a gig where you create a custom AI chatbot for small businesses. The pros? Freelancing is flexible, and you can work on a variety of projects. The cons? It can take time to build a client base, and you'll need to manage your own taxes and expenses. But if you're consistent and deliver quality work, freelancing can be a steady source of income. Finally, let's discuss offering data analytics services using AI-generated code. Data is the new oil, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for insights that can help them make better decisions. With AI, you can analyze massive datasets quickly and provide actionable recommendations. For instance, you could offer a service where you analyze a company's sales data and provide strategies to boost revenue. The pros? Data analytics is in high demand, and you can charge premium rates for your expertise. The cons? It requires a strong understanding of data science and AI tools. But if you're skilled in this area, the earning potential is enormous. So, there you have it, 10 proven ways to make money using AI-generated code and programming. Each method has its own pros and cons, but the common thread is that AI is a game changer. It's making coding faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. Whether you're selling code templates, building apps, offering consulting services, or diving into data analytics, there's never been a better time to leverage AI for profit. The key is to start small, experiment, and find what works best for you based on your knowledge. And remember, the more you learn and adapt, the more opportunities you'll uncover. Please leave your thoughts and experience in the comments section about which method have you ever tried or want to try so we can discuss it together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money with technology and AI. In fact, here is another video relevant to the topic of making money with AI. Click on it and see you there.